How's it going? It's B. And today we're gonna be baking something really exciting. We're gonna be baking gingerbread cupcakes. I basically already opened it. We're just gonna put this in a bowl. Do what you gotta do to mix it up. And we're gonna put it into a gift bag. So I was just looking at so I got a chair and I went up to the cabinet to see if I can find anything from like my bake. Oh, but no, it's not gonna work. Hold on. But yeah, I was just looking to see if I could find anything for like baking, like any flour. Actually, what? I found a buttload of baking soda. And I'm like, we have all this baking soda. Why don't we have this much flour? See what I really need. Not baking soda. Okay, so, and then I happened to see, we found this. Well, I found it anyway. Even before I started making all these videos. We did like this cake decorating thing. It was really fun. So for the cake, we're gonna need 1 cup of water and then 1 egg. Let's get that stuff now. It's about a cup. Let's add the water. Get at it now when you will. Oh, no. Okay. Fourth. Oh, no. Super. Okay. Here we look more. Okay. Now we're gonna add the egg. 1 egg. Hoping none of them are cracked. I know one of them was cracked. I'm scared. This is not what I have to do. I'm scared. Okay, 1 egg. Come on. Freaking out. Come on. Oh, that worked. That worked. If you're wondering, no, we're not gonna use any icing. We're not gonna make any icing. Okay, so now it says you gotta. So it says heat oven to 350 Fahrenheit. 350. Oven heated. What's next? Stir gingerbread mix in water and egg and ungreased. I never greased. Technically, we're making cupcakes, so we don't really need that. Using fork until blended. Okay. Work. Two minutes. Okay, now we get. See, you guys want to put this in the oven. Okay, so now that everything's done, you get a pan. Don't worry about spraying it because we're going to be using something different. Way too much stuff over here. Okay, so. Okay, we got a lot of stuff here. A little bit of spray here. Oh, jeez. I'm gonna do with it. Okay. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna open these. So I thought I was gonna make 2 batches, but the other pan that we're gonna use for the cupcakes, it's in the sink right now, so smash that out of there. Okay. I'm not sure these go together, but let's see what these go together. I'm just gonna put them together. I think they do go together. So those are gonna end up having to make 2 batches because this is not enough, and I'm gonna end up eating. I don't know. Hopefully it all goes well. So it doesn't say it's a cupcake mix. So yeah. And now that I found these, means we can make muffins. Maybe. So far with this first batch that I'm making a video about, we are probably gonna end up having them only being able to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12. Now you wanna put, it's not gonna work again. Now you wanna put your gingerbread cake mixture cupcake mixture into the pan. Looks like we're ready to put these in the oven. It says don't eat cake batter or raw cookie dough. What happens if you do eat it? Our cupcakes are in the oven. We have another, I think, a batch, and I'll make some later. So if you guys didn't know already, we're coming to the end of our January cooking episodes. We have this one, and then we have 5 more episodes after this episode. So we're not gonna all come out in January, but that's what they do. Yeah. So I just want to say that. So apparently my cookies were not baking when I set the timer. The oven was off, so they were not baking. So now we're gonna start the timer all over again, and hopefully now the thing is on and now they're baking. So yeah, those are cookies. I meant cupcakes. So yeah, that really sucks. Well, I have taken out my gingerbread cookies. Let me show you guys. This is what they look like, my gingerbread cupcakes. I'm not gonna add any frosting to them, but thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Brandon Bakes stuff, and I'll see you guys. What? Brandon. Yeah. It's me. We gotta do a taste test. I can't not do a taste test. Gingerbread cupcakes. It's really hot. Oh my god. It's just so good. Well, see you guys in the next one. Bye.